なんだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is 入る、出る。Let's write 漢字。入る。入る means to enter. Then let's write 入る。1 2 1 2 How to read this kanji? Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. The onyomi is close to the Chinese reading, and the kunyomi is Japanese original reading. Onyomi for this kanji is new. Kunyomi is いる、入れる、入る。Hiragana in brackets is called 送り仮名. For example, 入る is written like this. And when it comes to mass form, we write like this. ります is 送り仮名. 送り仮名 works for inflecting adjectives and verbs. Onyomi example for this kanji is 入学。入学 means to enter school. And kunyomi example for this kanji is 入り口。入り口 means entrance. Next kanji is 出る。出る means to go out. And this is how to write this kanji. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 How to read this kanji? Onyomi is 出 Kunyomi is 出る 出す Onyomi example is 出発出発 means to depart. Kunyomi example is 出る出る means to go out. You did great today. またね. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you.